Hey all, welcome back to my happy umbrella, and today I'm going to share with you guys summer makeover of my patio. I'm living in Kansas, USA, and the only time we can enjoy our patio here is from late spring to early fall. So it's kind of important for me to make this place enjoyable for this limited period of time. This season we are avoiding to visit the stores unnecessarily due to pandemic situation. So for this video I have ordered only few items online, and for the rest of the things I'm going to do home shopping. By home shopping I mean picking all the things I need from my home only to decorate that specific area. If you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed it yet, please hit the subscribe button. It will help my channel a lot. And make sure you follow me on Instagram for the latest updates. The link is on the screen and in the description box. So let's not waste time anymore and get started. So guys, this is the small patio we got in our apartment. I have already cleaned and emptied it to start the makeover.
Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
I had take out everything except this beautiful vine from last to last year, and the reason is obvious, it is blooming beautifully.
We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
These are the new plants which I got for this season, and a planter to plant the herbs.
Hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right.
And these were few plants from last year which survived indoors.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any.
Few of them were not in good condition, so I thought to clean them by cutting some dead ends. And then I arranged all the pots near the railings.
You and I can weather any storm. When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for.
Plants are one of those things which makes me happy and totally a mood lifter for me. So I squeezed in as many plants as I could in this small space.
With you and I, the future is bright.
And now I'm going to replant these herbs in this planter so they will get more space to grow.
Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, Hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Now it's time to decorate the corner. Everything I used here were already in my home, which I purchased last year or last to last year. Like this stool, lantern and the fake plant is from IKEA, the tray is from Home Goods and this little pineapple and toucan is from Target dollar section. And now it's time to add some seating.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future.
Also, these chairs and chair cushions are earlier purchased from IKEA and the blue cushions are from Lowe's.
You and I, we got it.
As I was decorating the patio, I received my Amazon deliveries in which I ordered some wall hangings for patio. So happy that they arrived on right time.
Can weather any storm.
And now it's time to hang them.
Hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
I love this porch rule signboard which says, read a book, sip iced tea or coffee, enjoy the season, feel the breeze, listen to the birds and relax. This one was from last year and it was a match to this toucan figurine. The summer wreath and pineapple signboard is from Amazon and I'm going to link all Amazon buys in the description box if you guys are interested. Because this bonsai pot is of plastic, I put this in between of this bird bath, which was also an old purchase from Lowe's. And here you can see the almost complete look.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Later on, I changed these star lights into these cozy long string patio lights.
We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
When I was ordering my patio lights, by mistake first I ordered these willow lights, but I decided not to return them and use them inside this lantern, and it came out so beautiful.
No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future.
And this is the after dark view of the patio.
We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
So this is the end of this video. I hope you like this and might get some ideas to decorate your own porch. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe the channel and share the video with your friends and family. I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, take care and bye-bye.